Hey Ellen, just want to say, I didn't really want to say anything. I wanted to burp something, cause my talent is, it's not my talent, but you know, it's just something I can do, and yeah, so it's really weird. So I hope you enjoy this, Ellen. So yeah. Oh, that's bad. I could burp my ABC. Let me check this out. A. See? So, subscribe, like, comment. Sorry this is really short. And yeah, see you guys.